Are you missing Mohammad Shami in the ongoing T20 World Cup 2024? Are you also concerned about his fitness? Well, here's the good news for you. Mohammad Shami has resumed bowling at the National Cricket Academy, but it's difficult to put a date on his India return at this stage. The seamer underwent surgery on his right Achilles tendon in February and is undergoing rehab under the watchful eyes of Dr. Nitin Patel, Head of Sports Science and Medicine at NCA, and Strength and Conditioning Coach Rajnikant at the NCA itself. Well, Shami has just taken a break but is likely to return to Bengaluru very soon to resume his rehabilitation. His childhood coach Badruddin is very pleased with the seamer's progress but feels it will take some more time before he is ready to make a comeback. He is currently not bowling with full run-up or full tilt, but has started releasing the ball without any discomfort in the nets. And that's a great sign for Mohammad Shami. While talking about Shami, he last played for India on November 19th in the 2023 World Cup against Australia in Ahmedabad and has been away from action since then. After that, he missed the South Africa tour in December 2023. He missed the home test series versus England, then 2024 Indian Premier League, and he is also missing the ongoing T20 World Cup. Well, India's calendar for the year was released few days back, and the Men in Blue will host Bangladesh for 2 tests and 3 20Is in September-October. Before the release of this calendar, Secretary Jay Shah in March had said that they are targeting the Bangladesh tests for Shami's return. But more clarity on the return date will happen only when he resumes bowling full tilt. Well, talking about India's home calendar, then before the Bangladesh tests, India will tour Zimbabwe and Sri Lanka in July for limited overs fixtures. And it remains to be seen whether the 33-year-old Mohammad Shami can get the return to play before any of these assignments or not. Well, Zimbabwe looks unlikely as of now, and if he doesn't regain complete match fitness before the Sri Lanka tour, then the 3 T20Is versus Bangladesh in October are also being looked at for a potential return. The return during Bangladesh tests is not completely ruled out yet, but the stakeholders don't want to risk injecting him directly into the tests. Well, Shami has been working hard on his fitness, and a range of mobility exercises have been included in his routine. A lot of focus is being given to core activation, strength building, and compound movements. And substantial progress has been made by the seamer, who wasn't even able to walk without crutches some time back. Well, as was the case with Rishabh Pant, Jasprit Bumrah, KL Rahul, and Shreyas Iyer, NCA always prefers the shorter formats for players who have undergone long rehabs, and it's very likely to be the case with Shami as well, that he will play the shorter formats over the test formats. But only time will tell when we will get to see Shami. But as of now, the good news is the Shami has returned in the nets and he is bowling. He is doing well, but his full fitness will be judged or assessed only after a couple of months.